Car Story research indicates this vehicle as having best-in-class fuel economy. Features also include keyless entry, leather seats, steering wheel controls, hands-free Bluetooth integration, MP3. With these ratings, you are going to love the 2018 Honda Civic. Practical, awesome gas mileage, and incredibly reliable, and is priced below $25,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth wireless data link for hands-free phone, air conditioning, moonroof, power steering, floor mats, aluminum wheels, cruise control, hands-free communication. Come take a test drive today.